Hi folks, welcome back to Hot Wheels. The other day I was driving and I found my windscreen looked like this. It was a lot of streaks and I could not see the road properly. When I checked the wipers on the way back home, I noticed that they looked like shit. So I thought I would go online, I'll check for a good wiper blade, and I ordered. Today I'm going to tell you how to replace them without making any problems. So they are here. It took 2 days and they looked awesome and they had good reviews. I hope they are going to work well. So before anything else, make sure that you brought the correct item and you will be able to return if it is not the correct item. Actually, this was taken after replacement. Please note that these hooks that are attaching the wipers to your car can easily break the windshield, which is very expensive, like this guy had to find out. So make sure that you check the hook mechanism before going into it and use a cloth or a cushion like I am doing before entering the process. So unlock and slide away the hook and take the old wiper out. Make sure this is the critical moment. Do not let that hook touch your windscreen. The point pressure is going to break the windscreen. If you are losing your touch, it's not a good idea. So we'll take the new one, we'll replace it with the hook which was put back into place, and we'll lock it. Then only you will be allowed to take the cushion away. So we'll move to the other side and we'll replace the other one as well. Make sure you buy a good pair with good reviews, otherwise you will not be happy once it is done. And the tropical areas particularly, this is going to be very hot, and if you are keeping the car wipers on the windscreen for a long period during the daytime, these are not going to last long. So some people, they like to lift them up when they leave, but it's not going to be possible every time when you're doing it. So make sure at least you replace them whenever it is needed and you give a good care to your windscreen, and make sure you always take ones with plastic covers, otherwise you will be scratching your windscreen and a lot of rust will form before you know. And this is how my old wiper blades are looking. Actually, they do not look very bad, but they are hard and they are making squeaky noises, and I did not want to have a bad experience, particularly in the rain during a highway drive. So let's go inside and check how they are going to work. We let the windscreen washer go and I'm very satisfied with the results, and it has been 2 months since I have been using these wipers now when I'm making this video, and I'm pretty good with it. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like our video and comment. We'll be meeting you with another video in a very short time. Goodbye until then.